Here's how to activate Visible Wireless on eSIM on either an iPhone or an Android phone. I will also show you how to transfer your phone number from your previous carrier over to Visible. And during the activation process, I'll show you exactly where to enter any exclusive promo codes or discount codes so you can make sure you're getting the best deal possible. Two quick things before we get started. Number one, keep your current service active. When you go ahead and transfer your phone number, Visible will automatically contact your previous carrier and close out your account. So keep your current service active. You need active service in order to transfer your phone number. Number two, before you get started, make sure you get your port out information from your current carrier. This is going to include your account number, your transfer PIN, your billing zip code, and of course the actual phone number you are transferring. One thing to keep in mind here is your transfer PIN is different from your account PIN. Those are two separate numbers, so make sure you get the correct information, you write it down. I'd recommend saving it in a note on your phone so you can copy and paste it during the activation process. Okay, let's get started. Go to the Visible website. I'll leave it linked in the video description, and then go ahead and scroll down on the page. You can take a look at Visible's plans. They have their Visible base plan. This is the best price for unlimited data on the Verizon network. Or you could also go with the Visible Plus plan. This gives you a more premium experience with priority data, faster hotspot speeds, and a free Apple Watch line. This is the plan I'm going to sign up for in this video. Either way, scroll down, and when you see Bring My Phone, you are ready to go. Tap on that, and this will be a BYOD tutorial. Select your phone software, either iPhone or Android. I'm using an iPhone for this tutorial, so I'm going to tap on that. Go ahead and select your model using an iPhone 15 Pro, and select your previous carrier. I'm actually coming from US Mobile. I do not see US Mobile here, so I'm going to tap Other None. And then go ahead and tap Check Phone Compatibility. Visible will tell you if your phone is compatible or not. And one thing, just make sure your phone is unlocked before switching to Visible. And when you're ready to go, you can tap this really tiny button, Join with Phone. I don't know why they made it so tiny. Otherwise, you can buy a phone from Visible, but I'm bringing my own device. I assume you are too. So tap on that. Go ahead and enter your phone's IMEI. If you're unfamiliar, you can find this in Settings, General, About, and then scroll down until you see IMEI. You may see two options here. Typically for iPhone, it doesn't matter which option you choose. For Android devices, you may want to consider IMEI 2, which should be the eSIM. I'm just going to copy one of the available IMEIs, go back to the Visible website, and then paste that in there. And then when you're ready to go, tap Next. Now you're ready to select your plan. You can either choose that Visible base plan, or you can choose the Visible Plus plan. I'm going with Visible Plus. Now, create your Visible account. Enter your first name, last name, email address, confirm your email, create your password, and then tap Continue. Okay, next you're ready to activate your device and download the Visible eSIM profile. To do this, you're going to use the Visible application, so go ahead and download that if you don't have it already installed, and go ahead and sign into the account you just created. Once you're in, go ahead and tap Next, and then check your inbox to confirm your email. There's the link, so tap on that. There you go. Once you're verified, you can go ahead and go back to the Visible application and tap Continue. Now you're going to confirm the device that you want to activate. This should be correct, so go ahead and tap Yes, Proceed. And now you're going to enter your billing address. With that entered, go ahead and tap Next. Next, you'll have the option to either bring your number or to get a new number. And Visible kind of outlines what you can expect for each of these. Getting a new number will definitely be easiest, but it will be a brand new phone number. I think many of you will want to transfer your existing phone number over to Visible, so that's what we're going to do in this video. So tap Bring Your Number. Visible gives you a quick tutorial on how to do this. You should be good to go though, because I already told you at the start what information you need, so make sure you have that on hand. I actually have a Notes app here with my account number and transfer PIN, so I'm all ready to go. When you're ready, tap Get Started. You're going to enter your phone number, your current carrier, your current account number, your port out PIN, and your billing zip code. Once you've double checked that all this information looks correct, go ahead and tap Confirm. Visible will give you a summary just so you can double check one more time that all the information is correct, and it does need to be accurate in order for the port process to go smoothly. But once you take a look and everything looks good, go ahead and tap Submit. Keep in mind that transferring your phone number can take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours to up to 48 hours at the longest. And again, keep your current service active. Your current phone number will continue working with your previous carrier until it is successfully transferred. All right, so we submitted our information. You should be good to go. Go ahead and tap continue. Next, you'll be brought to the checkout screen, and this is where you can enter any promo code or referral code to get a discount on your service. I'll leave my referral code and any promotional codes in this video description if you're interested in saving money on your plan. You can simply tap this text right here, and then you can enter the promo code and referral code. Sometimes promo codes and referral codes can be stacked, sometimes they can't be. Right now, Visible is offering a pretty good deal where you can save $5 off the Visible base plan or $10 off the Visible Plus plan for 2 years using code CHAMP. And they actually made it really easy to apply that code, so I'm going to simply tap apply code. And there you can see the promo code has been applied, and I'm going to tap continue. You should see the promo codes and discount codes applied to this bill, and if everything looks good, tap choose payment method. Your 3 options are PayPal, Venmo, or a credit or debit card. I'm going to use a credit or debit card. Next, you'll get a summary of your order, including your billing address, the plan you signed up for, any promotional codes or discounts applied, and what your total bill will be. Up top, you can also see autopay and the autopay terms. If everything looks good to you, tap you agree to the terms of service and proceed to transfer number. Next, you'll see a status of your phone number transfer. Your request was submitted, and you're actually safe to proceed with activation. If for whatever reason you'd like to cancel your transfer, you can do that here, and this is probably the last time you can cancel. Otherwise, it's best to have your number go through and then transfer out of Visible once you're done. Things look pretty good to me, so I'm going to tap proceed to activation. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi, your phone is on the latest software, and your battery is charged, and then tap continue. Visible is going to go ahead and download the eSIM profile to your phone, and you should be able to get set up and active. So tap continue, tap activate. Now Visible is setting up your service, and you should get a notification that an eSIM is ready to be installed on your phone. You'll notice I actually lost service in my status bar. That indicates the number transfer is likely going through and should be active on Visible. There you go. You get a pop-up to activate a new eSIM. So go ahead and tap allow. And this is going to be your Visible eSIM that is going to be downloaded, installed, and activated on your phone. Congratulations, your cellular setup is complete. Your Visible eSIM is now active on your phone. You can tap done, and now you're going to choose a default line if you had 2 SIMs enabled. In my case, the cellular data line will be the new line we just activated. So you'll see cellular data, your new Visible plan. Make sure you select that, and then you can use cellular data. And there you go. If you'd like, you can also activate an Apple Watch on Visible. The Visible Plus plan includes a free Apple Watch line, which is super nice, and I will definitely be taking advantage of that. For now, simply go ahead and tap continue, and you should be pretty much all set and set up and ready to go. Your eSIM has been downloaded, your number transfer should be good to go, and you just want to go ahead and place a test call to make sure everything is working and looking good. Okay, something I noticed is my personal number, which was previously on US Mobile. It's this primary number right here. It has no service, SOS only, which indicates the number was likely transferred to Visible. Unfortunately, the new Visible line, which is this cellular data line, doesn't have a phone number underneath it. So it looks like it may still take some time in order for that to get active. What I'm going to try doing is rebooting my phone, and that should hopefully get that number to go through and activate correctly on the device. Okay, there we go. I rebooted the phone, and you can now see cellular data has a phone number underneath it, which indicates the transfer was successful and the SIM is now active. Next, you want to make a test phone call just to make sure everything is set up and working properly, and it looks like it is. You have the phone call working, that's perfect. And you also probably want to check cellular data. So if you're interested, you can use the free Coverage Map application and go ahead and run a cellular speed test just to make sure that your internet is working properly. And it looks like it is. I'm getting awesome ultra wideband speeds, even though I only have 1 bar of service. So that's pretty great to see. And there you go. That is how to activate Visible on eSIM and transfer your phone number from your previous carrier over to Visible. I'm Stetson, and I hope that's helpful. Share this with a friend, click like, and get subscribed. See you next time.